When you see the FL error code on your LG portable air conditioner, it means the condensate water tank is completely full. This happens because your air conditioner works as both a cooler and dehumidifier. As it cools the air, it extracts moisture, which collects in an internal tank. In humid conditions above 60%, this tank fills up much faster. When the tank reaches capacity, your air conditioner may stop cooling completely to prevent overflow and potential water damage to your home. Here's how to fix the FL error immediately. First, turn off and unplug your unit for safety. Then locate the drain port, usually found at the bottom or back of the unit. Place a bucket or container under the drain port to catch the water. Remove the drain plug or cap and allow all the water to drain completely. You may need to tilt the unit slightly. Once drained, replace the drain plug securely, then plug the unit back in and restart it. The FL error should clear and normal cooling will resume. Keep in mind that newer LG models have improved self-evaporation systems to minimize water collection, but manual draining may still be necessary in high humidity environments. The most effective way to prevent FL errors is setting up continuous drainage. This eliminates the need to manually empty the water tank. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing FL errors. Keep your unit level, empty the tank regularly, and clean drain ports to ensure proper water flow. If FL errors persist even after draining, you may be dealing with more serious issues. These include refrigerant leaks, faulty sensors, or drainage blockages. LG models often have small drain pans holding less than 8 ounces, requiring frequent monitoring. In high humidity environments above 60%, consider using a separate dehumidifier to reduce the load on your air conditioner. Remember, prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Set up continuous drainage and maintain your unit regularly to avoid FL errors altogether.